Roddy Doyle has adapted his hugely successful book, The Commitments, for London's West End. It is due to open this coming autumn, and the team are in Dublin this weekend looking for performance. Well, John Sutton, the executive producer of the show and longtime friend and manager of Roddy Doyle's, is with me now. First of all, we're going to take a look at this from 1991 when the film first premiered.
It's about a group of working-class kids from the north side of Dublin who decide to form a soul band. And the auditions, well, they went like this.
Who are your influences?
Barry Manilow.
Who are your influences?
John Baez, Joni Mitchell,
Wings. Mike Montana Overdrive.
Spandau Ballet, Soft Cell,
Sinead O'Connor.
Bob Bets and I trip to a candy shop where...
Hi, I've come about the audition.
Led Zeppelin.
All you wanna do is ride around, Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
All you wanna do is ride around, Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
All you wanna do is ride around, Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
Wanna leave every morning. I'm gonna be wiping those weeping eyes, yeah.
Gosh, John, it's such a great film, isn't it?
Terrific.
And
Just
a
looking at it again.
huge success, wasn't it?
It was a great success at the time, yeah.
Worldwide it went.
Yeah, North America, here, obviously Britain, all over the world. I don't know how many countries it played in. I heard a statistic, myself and Roddy, a couple of years ago, that over 1 billion people had watched it or had seen it.
You're
at some
serious,
point.
1 billion
Yeah.
people.
We don't know where it's come from now, I have to say. But
And John, you were with Roddy Doyle at that time. Like, you were involved in that film. You've been with him throughout
Yeah.
his career, really,
Yeah,
as
Roddy
a
and myself,
manager and friend.
Yeah, we met in UCD in the late 70s along with a bunch of other people, Brendan Gleeson, Paul Mercier. We were producing plays there and putting them on. And then in the mid-80s, late 80s, Roddy wrote The Commitments, and we produced Brown Bread, his first play with the Passion Machine, the theatre company that I was working with at the time.
And now you're going into musical theatre. Tell us about this. It's a big deal, isn't it?
It's a big deal. We've been working on it for almost 4 years. We met and really liked a London producer called Phil McIntyre. So we've been working in partnership with him for almost 4 years now. And finally, it's terrific. What's great about this week and the auditions is this is the first time really that we're publicly out, so to speak, able to talk about it. So the director Jamie Lloyd, Phil McIntyre, and the casting director David Grinrod are all in town this weekend, and they've decided to hold open auditions for both the public and the professional actors.
Really? And so where are the auditions going to be this
They're
weekend?
taking place near Fairview on Richmond Road in Troubadour Rehearsal Studios. You can get all the details on that online at their website.
And what are you looking for?
Now, we're basically looking for the band, Joey, and the girls. So
Really? You haven't cast any of them? Because I know you've been casting already in the UK.
Yeah, no, the casting will go on for about 6 weeks in total. So it only started in London last week. So there's both London and Dublin casting going on. And I reckon, essentially, this is the first round. Right. So there will obviously be seeing a lot of people over the coming 3 or 4 weeks. Then obviously there'll be callbacks and shortlists, and then it'll come down to the wire, obviously, for people involved. Yeah. So it'll go on, I think, for probably, it won't be cast until April, sometime in April.
Okay. Well, listen, John, very best of luck with that, and we'll all be watching out for it. And thank you very much for coming in this morning. Now, for all of the details on what is being looked for, you can go online at roddydoyle.com and you'll see exactly what you should do there.